I just want to make it clear that we are truly in the process of developing a new product. We are actively working on designing something new. We're not just sitting around doing nothing. So there are two brand new products that I believe will really excite you. Tesla has been relatively quiet about the affordable Model 2, but a new testing prototype that was spotted in Giga Texas and Berlin marks a significant breakthrough in the industry. And here's the big reveal: a 15-year battery lifespan with zero hidden costs. Even more surprising is that the Model 2 is designed for everyone, making it perfect for daily use. Yes, you heard that correctly. But how is Tesla able to make this possible? Is it just hype? In the next few minutes, we'll dive into how Tesla is addressing cramped interiors, safety concerns, and hidden costs all at once. And there's also a new update with the Model 2 that you need to know about. Take action now, subscribe and hit the notification bell, or you may miss out on this incredible news. While others are talking about their electric future, you don't want to be the last to know. Just click the bell and join the 19,176 new subscribers who are already following the future. So, what's inside the Tesla Model 2 that is shaking up the industry? It's redefining comfort for people with physical challenges. Affordable electric vehicles today have major issues for those with physical limitations. For instance, the Nissan Leaf, which is only 3.9 meters long, has seats that are just 43 cm off the ground, with doors that are only 78 cm wide. Or take the MG ZS, which is 4.3 meters long and doesn't include grab handles to help people get in and out. These design issues make it difficult for many passengers, especially those with mobility issues. In places like New York, people with arthritis can spend 5 to 10 minutes painfully trying to get into these vehicles, contorting their bodies in discomfort. In cities like Chicago and Sydney, cramped interiors with less than 1.2 meters of legroom make it impossible to fit necessary medical equipment like folded wheelchairs or portable oxygen tanks. Most affordable EVs overlook the practical needs of users, from low seats to cramped cabins that make getting in and out a challenge. But Tesla's Model 2 will address these issues. Do you think it lives up to the hype? Leave a comment with shocking features if you think Tesla is on the right path, or not enough if you believe Tesla still needs to do more. With recent leaks from the testing prototype we got this week, the Model 2 is set to break all the rules of EV design and capability. At 4.4 meters long, which is 10% larger than the Nissan Leaf, the Model 2 features a crossover-inspired height that tackles accessibility concerns head-on. Leaked sketches from Tesla's 2023 Investor Day show a hatchback design with seats placed at a height of 50 cms, which is significantly higher than the Model 3's 45 cm. This seemingly small change makes a huge difference when getting in and out of the vehicle. Another key change gaining attention is the door design on the Model 2. The test version shows doors that are 90 cm wide, 15% wider than the average compact EV. These doors come with integrated grab handles strategically placed for maximum support. This actually exceeds even the new Model Y's respectable 88 cm doors. For someone with mobility issues, these extra centimeters can mean the difference between independence and dependent. Inside the Model 2, you'll find around 1.4 meters of front legroom and 1 meter in the rear, all with a completely flat floor and no transmission tunnel to navigate. This design choice results in a more spacious interior that allows for easier movement and rotation when seated. The cargo area offers an impressive 400 liters of space compared to the Leaf's 340 liters, giving plenty of room for medical equipment without sacrificing passenger comfort. The addition of heated seats with advanced lumbar support isn't just a luxury, it's a thoughtful feature that helps reduce back pain and joint stiffness during long drives, especially for those with chronic conditions. Are you excited by this upgrade? Type Model 2 2025 if you're excited, or more if you want to see even more upgrades. Picture stepping into your Model 2 on a busy New York street without feeling any pain, or easily loading a walker into the back. In London, imagine the freedom of taking longer trips without discomfort, or having space for all your essential equipment on a weekend getaway in Sydney. It's clear that the Tesla Model 2 has the potential to revolutionize mobility, prioritizing accessibility without compromising on style or performance. But comfort isn't the only area where the Model 2 stands out. Let's talk about safety features, which are often the first to be compromised when manufacturers try to cut costs. Let's look at how Tesla refuses to sacrifice protection even with a price tag under $25,000. Why does the Tesla Model 2 make safety a top priority? Safety is often the first thing to be sacrificed in budget-friendly cars. Take the Nissan Leaf, for example. It doesn't even come with automatic emergency braking, which can be the difference between a close call and a serious accident. Or consider the MG ZS, which only has 2 airbags compared to the 6 you'd find in premium vehicles. Many budget models don't include blind spot monitoring either. These compromises create real dangers in places like London's narrow streets or Los Angeles' busy highways, where reaction time and visibility are crucial. Drivers with slower reflexes or vision impairments face significantly higher risks. Studies show that EVs without automatic emergency braking have 30% higher accident rates. This becomes a lot more personal when it's your loved one behind the wheel. Tesla's 2025 Model 2 rejects this false choice. Recent testing vehicles and leaked specifications show that Tesla's full autopilot safety suite comes standard, not as an expensive add-on or hidden in optional packages. This includes comprehensive lane-keeping assistance and blind spot monitoring technology, which actively prevents dangerous situations from developing. Even more impressive is the advanced automatic emergency braking system with pedestrian and cyclist detection, which reacts 0.4 seconds faster than the industry average. That small fraction of a second translates to about 35 feet of stopping distance at highway speeds. When was the last time an affordable vehicle prioritized your safety with premium features instead of treating them like luxury add-ons? Now, here's where the Model 2 truly exceeds expectations. Leaked manufacturing plans suggest it will include 8 airbags throughout the cabin, strategically placed in the front, sides, curtains, and even at knee level for both the driver and passenger. This doubles the MG ZS's meager offering and even beats the Model 3's 6 airbags. Combined with Tesla's revolutionary Giga casting chassis, the Model 2 is 50% stronger than the Nissan Leaf, BYD, and even the Model 3. Safety experts are already predicting a 5-star NHTSA rating. In practical terms, those 8 airbags create a 360 DG protection zone. During a typical fender bender in New York, the knee airbags could reduce leg injuries by 25%, while side curtains could lower head injury risk by up to 45%. In Los Angeles, during highway rollovers, the Model 2 safety innovations provide real-world protection. Picture driving through London's narrow streets where the vehicle's lane-keeping system subtly adjusts your trajectory, preventing potential accidents and costly repairs. Or imagine cruising down the freeway in Los Angeles where the Model 2's advanced traffic-aware cruise control keeps you at the perfect distance from other drivers even when they make unpredictable moves. Tesla's extensive virtual testing with millions of simulated miles in various conditions shows a staggering 43% reduction in accident probability compared to conventional vehicles. Do you think these changes are enough to make you want to buy the Model 2? If yes, leave a comment with safety or comment not and let us know why. Now, how does the Tesla Model 2 ensure you won't face any hidden costs? For years, affordable EV trims have been playing a bait-and-switch game with consumers. That budget-friendly $25,000 Nissan Leaf seems like a great deal until you get hit with a $10,000 battery replacement cost after just 100,000 miles. That's 40% of the vehicle's original cost. In Sydney, MG ZS owners often spend $2,000 on minor repairs due to scarce parts. Industry studies show the uncomfortable truth. Affordable EV owners typically end up paying 30 to 50% more than expected over a 5-year period, which completely undermines the cheap promise. Tesla has specifically designed the Model 2 to eliminate these hidden costs, starting with its revolutionary battery technology. Industry insiders report that Tesla is equipping the Model 2 with next-generation solid-state batteries, something Elon Musk hinted at during Tesla's 2021 Battery Day. These batteries have a 300,000-mile lifespan, which is triple that of the Leaf's 100,000-mile LFP. When it's time to replace them, it'll cost you about $300 to $500 instead of $10,000, thanks to denser energy storage, 500 watts per kilogram compared to the Model 3's 250. Additionally, solid-state batteries don't use liquid electrolytes, which degrade over time. With an estimated range of 400 miles, these batteries save you money and outperform competitors. Alternatively, leaked engineering documents suggest Tesla might offer an aluminum-ion battery option, which is lighter, more affordable, and capable of rapid charging. This battery maintains its performance for up to 350,000 miles with a replacement cost of around $3,200. By using aluminum, which makes up 8% of Earth's crust, compared to lithium's 0.06%, this technology helps shield owners from supply chain disruptions. Beyond its 350-mile range, the aluminum-ion battery offers 80% charging in just 5 minutes, eliminating the wait time that frustrates current EV owners. As we've mentioned, Tesla is planning to introduce sodium-ion batteries in the Model 2. These have a replacement cost of around $1,900 and a lifespan of 450,000 miles. Sodium costs a fraction of lithium and constitutes 2.6% of Earth's crust, compared to lithium's 0.06%. Sodium-ion batteries also offer zero fire risk, which is a huge safety advantage over traditional lithium-ion batteries. Imagine never worrying about that $10,000 battery replacement bill that haunts other EV owners. Beyond battery technology, the Model 2's maintenance requirements are minimal. Electric powertrains already reduce maintenance by 70% compared to internal combustion engines. Tesla's over-the-air update capability also slashes service costs to about $150 annually versus $800 for traditional vehicles. Additionally, all battery options do away with the need for complex cooling systems, reducing weight by 5% and further improving efficiency and reliability. For budget-conscious drivers, the Model 2 represents true financial peace of mind. Not only is it affordable to buy, but it's also cost-bequeathed to own for decades. With these innovations, Tesla is redefining what affordable transportation looks like in the electric age. Remember when affordable cars meant compromising on comfort, safety, or dealing with hidden costs? Tesla has flipped that entire idea on its head. The Model 2 is creating a new standard where affordability doesn't come with sacrifice. Are you excited to buy the new Model 2? If so, hit that subscribe button and notification bell to be the first to know when we get behind the wheel for a hands-on review. See you in the next video.